Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming system requirements and turning Apple Intelligence on. Open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then enable Apple Intelligence. This unlocks local and cloud features. Make sure you're signed into iCloud and have two-factor authentication active so models can sync securely. Once done, grant permissions for mail, notes, and photos selectively. This controls what data the assistant can analyze. These initial steps get the service running and prepare your Mac to generate personalized assistant suggestions. Next, you tailor how Apple Intelligence works with your apps and which model it uses. In Settings, pick Model Behavior. Favor quick responses for drafts or deeper context for complex summaries. Then grant or deny per app access so the assistant only reads data you allow. This influences output relevance. Also set processing location. On-device keeps data local while cloud enables broader context and longer memory. Once configured, test by asking it to summarize an email thread. To confirm and to finish, start using Apple Intelligence in real tasks and refine its behavior. Invoke it from Spotlight, contextual menus, or inline suggestions in Mail and Notes. Ask for summaries, drafts, or photo insights. When results miss the mark, tell it what to change, provide a targeted prompt, and it will adapt. This helps the model learn your intent. If things fail, toggle Apple Intelligence off and on, reboot your Mac, and verify iCloud and per app permissions. This resolves most sync or access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.